Mother's Day is on 10th May, and today I am going to share how you can make this photo collage design in Canva for Mother's Day. So let's start with it. So I have chosen YouTube thumbnail as my canvas, and after that I will click on R to activate a square. Okay, and I will just make it smaller. Make sure it is a square. So just extend it a bit. So 185 cross 185 I have kept it here. Okay, just make it smaller. So 161 cross 161, this is the size I am using. Now after that I will change the color to black. Okay, and after that I will duplicate it, place one time here, just make the distance smaller. Okay, and after that I will duplicate it and place another time here, and just select all of them and move slightly upward so that all of them are covered here. And after that just duplicate it, place it here, and just decrease the space. Okay, and duplicate it, paste again here, again duplicate it and paste another time here. Okay, now after that I will just go to text here, click on add a heading, and here write M in capital. I will write M. Okay, and change the font to League Spartan. Okay, and after that I will just arrange it according to the size of the design. Okay, just make it size bigger. Okay, I want to make it more bold, so for that I will just click on effects and click on outline and make sure the thickness is in 50. Now change it to black color again. Okay, like that. And to make the alphabet and box of the same size, I will use the rulers here. So to activate the rulers you can press shift plus R in the keyboard. Okay, so I will just bring one ruler here and another one here. Once I make the size I can just arrange it for all of them. Okay, so just bring it here, and after that I will duplicate it, place it here, and write O, and again duplicate it and place it here and write M again. Okay, so I will just arrange it in the same line. Okay, and just shift it a bit. Okay, so I have written mom here, but I want to cover the O part, the hollow part of the O, so that I can paste a proper picture here. So for that I will just click on C to activate a circle and change it to the same color of black. Okay, and after that I will just make it smaller and just place it here. Okay, and here you can see that the hollow part is covered. Now I will go here to elements, and here I will write heart. Okay, and go to graphics. I will scroll down to find this design, and I will bring it here. Just remove the rulers because the work is not needed here again. So I will just make it bigger and just place it here. Okay, and after that just paste it here, and after that as you can see that the distance of both the hearts are a bit too more, so I will just cover the distance, but before that I will just make both of them to black color. Okay, and after that I will just select them, click on edit, and in shadows go to see all, click on outline, make sure the size is 35 and click on outside the box here so that the effect is coming here. So as you can see, the effect is here and the distance is covered. And after that, click on add page and just use this green color, or you can use any color you want. Click on share, click on download, and make sure you download both the pages but individually. Okay, so make sure both of them are in PNG, and first download the page 2 and then download the page 1. So now I will cover the process of converting this design into a editable Canva template. So how you can do that, let me share with you. So first step is to convert the PNG to SVG. So for that I have come to picsvg.com, which is a free SVG converter, as you can see in here, and upload the picture of the design. And by scrolling down you will find this type design. The design is uploaded and this one is showing the SVG part, but you have to make the changes here. In filters, click on here and choose internal 3. Okay, so now you get the same design as the original one and click on download SVG. Now you need to come to photopea.com, which is a free version of Photoshop. So I'll click on open from computer and open the SVG file. Okay, and after that click on file, click on open and place, and now you just use the green color background image which I have just designed in Canva. So as you can see, I have found this. Now extend it. Okay, and after that right click it, go to clipping mask, and after that use this one for all of them. So for that you will click on duplicate layer, so you click on multiple times so that work gets easier, and just move it layer by layer. Okay, let's do it again. So all the areas are covered, as you can see in here. Now you'll click on file, click on save as PSD. Now if you don't want to do all the hard work, you can just come to my website. The link will be in the description, and you can just purchase the template for just $2. Okay, but that's not the only thing which I have come to share here. There are 6 templates, but the main thing which I wanted to share is that there is a free template for you, which is the Momflix template, and you can just get it for free, and this will be free till the 10th of May. If you want to get it, the link is in the description, and the offer is till 10th May. Okay, so all the other templates, as you can see in here, that this one is for $3, this one is also for $3, this is for $2, and this one is for $1.5. Okay, now let's come back to Canva here, and now we need to upload the PSD file or the Photoshop document in Canva, and it will be just uploaded in designs part. Okay, now click on add page and just upload the design in the canvas here. Now after uploading it, If you click on one of the file, you can see that when you go to layer, click on show layers, that behind every layer there is a black layer, so we have to remove all of them. And click on delete, and for the others just select and click on backspace. Now it's time to add the pictures, so we'll go to elements and let's add the pictures. Go to photos, so I will add this one. So when the pictures are added, now we will go to text here and click on add a heading again, and here I will write Happy Mother's Day, and I will just bring it here and change the text font as Alex Brush. Okay, and just make it bigger and keep it in the center. So this is the design, and I hope you like this tutorial and I hope you learned something out of it. And if you want to learn more of these tutorials, please subscribe to the channel and let me know in the comments which tutorial you want to learn next. Thank you.